Welcome back, everybody. Guess what time it is? It is clamp follow-up time. I have more. Remember I said if you buy those by different lengths, I have 5 or 6 of these. And another clamp style that I didn't show you was the Jorgensen hand screw. Excellent clamp for the workshop because you can not only clamp parallel to each other, you can clamp on angles, either obtuse or acute. These are the 3/0 size. I think I might have maybe 1 or 2 of the 4/0, but I know I have the 2 zeros, the zeros, the 1s, the 2s, and the 3s. The 3s are huge. These were the go-to clamp of the day. It has so many good attributes to it. If you didn't have a workbench and you needed something to clamp to and you had 2 of these, all you did was clamp one down to your workbench and now you had a vise. So, and if you needed to work upright, you could do it that way. There were lots of options. I would say one of the downsides is the mild steel shafts. And I say mild steel. I don't know if they're tool steel. I don't think so. They do rust, so you have to oil them. And the steel pins that they thread into, the round nuts, sometimes they get stuck in there. So if you oil them, then the oil gets on the wood and then the oil collects dust and things get kind of grody. But a great clamp. While I was out in the mess out yonder, I found 4 packs of 6-inch Bessie clamps. I got 4 packs of these. That means I got 24. And sadly, they say Bessie, made in China. And these are probably a good 8, 10, 12 years old. I don't know for sure. Is there a date anywhere on here? I believe I got these on sale at either Lowe's or Home Depot. Not sure if I'm going to open one of them to try to compare it to the others unless I get into a project where I need more of those. I've got 4 grandkids. I could give each one of them a pack of clamps for a Christmas present. That would be fun. And lastly today, in this video, are these. You ever see these? The original version of these, and I believe the pronunciation was Klemmsia, and I believe many luthiers, guitar builders, violin makers use a clamp like this because it exerts just enough pressure, but not too much, to hold wood together. But these are made here in America by the Dubois Tool Works or Clamp Works, and these are called Micro Moose. They're made in Iowa. I have, not sure if it's 6 or 8 of each size that they made. Brand new, never been used. They were supposed to come into the workshop a long, long time ago. The nicest thing about these is the way they work. Let's say I just need to bring two pieces of wood together to hold a glue joint. You just bring it together lightly, finger tight, and then bring the clamp out until it's connected, and there you go. It exerts the perfect amount of pressure. Not too much, not too little. So, I'm not sure the generic name, but if you go to the Dubuque Clamp Company, or if I find the link, I'll put it in the description box below to this one. Just tell him Walter sent you from Dusty Splinters. He'll know me. One of the last, I believe they are the last clamp manufacturer in the United States. They make this one. Universal Clamp Corporation. They make this one. And this was the one that all of the others copied, you know, like the Horrible Freight and Grizzly and other ones that are out there. They copied that design, but didn't make it as good. So I'll leave a link to this company down in the description box. I have no affiliation. I bought these with my own money. I just love the way they look. Now you can make these. There are kits out there to make these. It doesn't take much. You have pins that hold these parts together. You have a piece of flat steel, and there's a pin here, and there's a wooden cam, and the head and the loose head. I don't know whether one's a dumb head and one's a smart head. I don't know. But nice clamps. So that's about it for right now. I also have some of those real old antique clamps out there. They never get used. They're just for show. But if we ever get this place cleaned out to where I can start rebuilding and put cabinets on the walls and put tools where they belong, perhaps I'll have some of them on display. Hope this was helpful to somebody. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Gather up your clamps and see what you got. Then organize them. Walter out.